Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Mommy and I are going to unbox this jewelry from Jeulia Jewelry. And thank you Jeulia for sending it to us.
We are going to unbox this necklace for Ate Paris, guys. That's why nandito siya. It is from company Jeulia. It says Premium Artisan Jewelry. I've actually worked with Jeulia Jewelry a few years back, and I love that ring. Yeah, that was with Tito Ron. I love that ring. I will put the link in the description box below, just in case gusto nyong i-watch yun. I was still pregnant with Celine that time. So I'm very thankful that once again Jeulia contacted me, and yeah, we are doing another collaboration. Okay. So it looks, oh, okay. Inside, they've got this book.
And I think this is a card.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama, look, is this a card?
Jeulia Jewelry offers variety of jewelry. So from rings to necklaces, watches, bracelets, name it, they have it on their website. So you just go check out their website, jeulia.com.au. I will put the link sa description box and also dito sa ating screen. At first, ito yung makikita mo. It says, read before removing jewelry tag. Items cannot be returned if the jewelry tag is removed. So, ayan. Please carefully check the item and make sure it fits properly before removing the tag. But in this case, since this is Paris's and you know we don't need to return and that, so we don't need to worry about that. So meron din silang ganito, 15% off an order like that, yung mga discount codes nila. However,
I like the diamond.
yeah, we've got like discount codes. We can put all the information down in the description box below, just in case gusto nyo bumili ng something for yourself. Yep. Show that one. Show what's in that. What's that?
This is what the bag looks like. It's so small, and they say there's some stuff in it.
Okay, so this is the moment that we have been waiting for. Paris is so excited. Come on. Come, take it out. The packaging is really nice.
I like the packaging.
Show it when you open it lang.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Yep. I'm very excited. Ooh.
Okay.
Ayan yung box. Okay. Show it here, honey.
Got it.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna give Paris the honor to introduce her new necklace because that's hers.
So, it's shaped into a mermaid tail, and I hope you can see the shiny stones on it. And also it has my name in it that you can't really see it.
Yeah, that's right. It's very hard to see, but it is a personalized necklace. So I really hope you can see it. It's got Paris there. Yeah, it's got these beautiful shining stones. It's so beautiful. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So we opted for the 14 centimeters length because that's perfect for Paris's size. So I'm gonna put this up. This is actually made of 925 sterling silver and gold plated. Come show. Oh, it's so beautiful.
I love mermaids.
Why did you choose mermaid, honey?
Because I love mermaids.
Yep. Oh, that is so cute. So that's really good about Jeulia jewelry, guys, because they offer personalizing your jewelry. So it's perfect for presents, especially that, you know, it's now January, next month it's Feb. For Valentine's Day, I think it's going to be perfect. Super nice. Sobrang ganda, guys. Wow. I super love it on Paris. Oh, it's really cool. And the color as well. It's just perfect. I'm so happy you picked that, honey. And we also have a discount code. So if you use joveyawitin, you will get 20% off your purchase. So yeah, if you decided to grab something for yourself or give it to someone, because I really believe sobrang ganda nito. I think like this is the best like gift you can give to someone. Don't you think, honey? Yes. Oh my god. So yeah, once again, thank you very much, Jeulia. You want to say thank you, Jeulia Jewelry?
Thank you, Jeulia Jewelry.
Until our next collaboration. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be
Part of our family.
and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Be careful. Bye.